Deep within the ancient lakes of Mexico, a creature dwells, unlike any other, a salamander. But not just any salamander. This is the axolotl. Its youthful charm with feathery gills captivates all. Scientists and nature lovers alike are mesmerized. It can regenerate limbs, organs, even parts of its brain. Imagine the possibilities. The axolotl's story is one of survival against all odds. Its home, the Xochimilco Lake system, faces pollution and habitat loss. Yet this ancient creature persists, clinging to life, a symbol of resilience. Join us on a journey. We will delve into the world of the axolotl, explore its watery realm, discover why this remarkable amphibian is so crucial. Imagine a network of canals and lakes, a watery labyrinth. This is Xochimilco, nestled in the heart of Mexico. Here, among the floating gardens and vibrant boats, the axolotl makes its home. The water is cool and clear. Reeds and water lilies dance on the surface, providing cover for this shy creature. But beneath the surface, danger lurks. Pollution threatens this fragile ecosystem. Urban development encroaches upon the axolotl's habitat. The very existence of this unique creature is under threat, yet the axolotl persists. Long before the Spanish conquest, the Aztecs ruled these lands. They built their capital, Tenochtitlan, upon the very waters that the axolotl called home. To them, the axolotl was more than just an animal. It was Xolotl, the god of fire and lightning, revered and feared. Legends grew around its ability to transform. The Aztecs incorporated the axolotl into their art and mythology. They believed it held a special connection to the spirit world. Axolotl comes from the Nahuatl language. It means water monster. The arrival of the Spanish conquistadors marked a turning point. Tenochtitlan fell. The Aztecs were conquered. The reverence for the axolotl began to fade. Replaced by a more pragmatic view, the axolotl became a source of food, a delicacy. Its numbers began to dwindle. The introduction of invasive species like tilapia and carp further threatened its existence. These newcomers competed for food and space. Today, the axolotl faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss and pollution continue to take their toll. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway. The axolotl remains a child, forever locked in its youthful form. This phenomenon, known as neoteny, is what sets it apart. Most salamanders grow up, they lose their gills, they leave the water. Not the axolotl. It stays a playful tadpole, even as it reaches sexual maturity. This quirk of nature has fascinated scientists for centuries. Why doesn't it metamorphose? The answer lies in its thyroid gland. This gland produces hormones. Hormones that trigger metamorphosis in other salamanders, but the axolotl's thyroid is different. It doesn't produce enough of these hormones, so it remains forever young. Picture a creature with feathery gills, 3 on each side of its head. They sway gently in the water like delicate plumes. These gills are essential. They allow the axolotl to breathe underwater, extracting oxygen from the water. But it's not just the gills that are striking. The axolotl has lidless eyes, black and beady. They give it a perpetually surprised expression. Its mouth curves upward into a subtle smile. As if it knows a secret, its skin is smooth and slimy, usually a mottled brown or black, but some axolotls are albino. Their skin is a pale pink, their gills are vibrant red. These albino axolotls are particularly striking. The axolotl is a solitary creature, preferring to spend its days alone, hiding among the reeds and rocks. It only emerges at night to hunt. Its diet consists of small invertebrates, worms, insects, and crustaceans. It's an opportunistic feeder, taking whatever it can find. It locates its prey using a keen sense of smell and a special sensory system. This system detects vibrations in the water. These vibrations tell the axolotl where its next meal is hiding. Once it locates its prey, it strikes. The axolotl's mouth is deceptively large. It opens wide, sucking in its prey with a gulp. No need for teeth. The food is swallowed whole. The axolotl is a master of regeneration, a true marvel of the animal kingdom. While many creatures can regenerate, the axolotl takes it to a whole new level. Imagine losing a limb, a tail, even parts of your heart or brain, and then simply growing them back. That's the reality for the axolotl. It can regenerate lost body parts with astounding accuracy, and it does so without scarring. The regenerated limb is indistinguishable from the original. It's a feat that has baffled and amazed scientists for centuries. How is this even possible? The answer lies in the axolotl's remarkable biology. Its cells possess a unique ability, the ability to revert to a stem cell-like state. Stem cells are like blank slates. They can transform into any type of cell in the body. This gives the axolotl incredible regenerative potential. The blastema is the key to the axolotl's regenerative prowess. It's a biological construction crew, receiving instructions from the surrounding tissues. These instructions guide the blastema, telling it what to build and where to build it. Over time, the blastema transforms. It differentiates into the various cell types needed to rebuild the missing part. Bone cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, all perfectly formed, all perfectly integrated into the existing tissue. The axolotl's regenerative abilities are not limited to limbs. It can also regenerate its tail, spinal cord, heart, lungs, and even parts of its brain. This remarkable ability makes the axolotl a fascinating subject for scientific research. Scientists have been studying axolotl regeneration for decades. One key factor is the axolotl's immune system. It seems to play a crucial role in the regenerative process. When an axolotl is injured, its immune system doesn't overreact. Instead of causing inflammation, it promotes healing. It releases signaling molecules that help to control cell growth and differentiation. Another factor is the axolotl's ability to suppress scar tissue formation. Scar tissue can interfere with regeneration. The axolotl has found a way to bypass this problem. It produces very little scar tissue. This allows the blastema to form directly at the wound site and to develop into the correct tissues without interference. The axolotl's regenerative abilities hold immense promise for human medicine. Imagine a world where we could regenerate damaged tissues and organs, where spinal cord injuries could be reversed, where amputations could be a thing of the past. While we're still a long way from achieving such feats in humans, the axolotl provides a roadmap. By studying the genes, proteins, and cellular processes involved in axolotl regeneration, scientists hope to develop new therapies for a wide range of conditions. One area of focus is spinal cord injuries. These injuries are often debilitating. The axolotl's ability to regenerate its spinal cord could provide valuable insights into developing treatments for these devastating injuries. Another area of interest is limb regeneration. Axolotl research could pave the way for new therapies that stimulate limb regeneration in humans. The axolotl's regenerative powers also hold promise for treating degenerative diseases. From the depths of Xochimilco to the forefront of science, the axolotl has made quite a journey. Today, these unassuming creatures find themselves at the heart of cutting-edge research. Laboratories around the world are dedicated to unraveling the mysteries behind their incredible regenerative abilities. Imagine rows upon rows of tanks, each housing these aquatic marvels. Scientists meticulously study their every move, every cell division, every step in the regeneration process. These living laboratories are hubs of innovation and discovery. Researchers come from diverse fields: genetics, developmental biology, immunology, all drawn to the axolotl's unique potential. Their collaboration is fueled by the hope of one day translating these findings into groundbreaking medical treatments. The axolotl's regenerative prowess lies within its genes. Scientists are hard at work, meticulously mapping out its genome, searching for the specific genes responsible for its remarkable abilities. By identifying these genes and understanding how they interact with each other, researchers hope to develop targeted therapies for a wide range of human diseases. One promising area of research focuses on understanding how the axolotl's immune system contributes to its regenerative capabilities. Unlike humans, the axolotl's immune system doesn't overreact to injury. Instead of forming scar tissue, it promotes tissue regeneration. If we can understand how the axolotl's immune system achieves this delicate balance, we might be able to develop therapies that modulate the human immune response to injury, promoting healing and regeneration instead of scarring. This could revolutionize the way we treat everything from traumatic injuries to chronic diseases. While the axolotl's regenerative abilities are undoubtedly its claim to fame, these fascinating creatures have much more to offer the scientific community. Their unique biology provides a valuable model for studying a wide range of biological processes, from development and aging to cancer and immunity. For instance, the axolotl's ability to remain in a larval state throughout its life, known as neoteny, offers valuable insights into the aging process. By studying the mechanisms that prevent the axolotl from undergoing metamorphosis, researchers hope to gain a better understanding of the factors that contribute to aging and age-related diseases in humans. Furthermore, the axolotl's susceptibility to certain types of cancer, combined with its remarkable regenerative abilities, provides a unique opportunity to study the interplay between cancer development and tissue regeneration. Understanding how the axolotl is able to regenerate tissues while also being susceptible to cancer could lead to new strategies for preventing and treating cancer in humans. The axolotl, once a creature shrouded in myth and legend, is now illuminating the path towards a brighter future for human health. Section 1. A legacy of resilience, the axolotl's enduring message. From the ancient canals of Xochimilco to modern science labs, the axolotl's journey is a testament to nature's wonders. This salamander, with its perpetual grin and feathery gills, holds secrets to regeneration, potentially revolutionizing medicine. Yet its story is also one of resilience. Facing habitat loss and pollution, this ancient creature clings to survival, reminding us of nature's delicate balance. The axolotl embodies life's capacity to adapt, overcome, and endure. Its existence challenges us to protect our planet and the ecosystems that sustain us all. The axolotl's story is one of hope and resilience. Even in adversity, life finds a way. Within that resilience lies healing and renewal. Section 2. Guardians of the Water Monster, our call to action. The future of the axolotl hangs in the balance. We must ensure its survival. Protecting its habitat in Xochimilco is paramount. Supporting conservation efforts, advocating for responsible water management, and raising awareness are crucial steps. The axolotl symbolizes the interconnectedness of all living things. By supporting sustainable practices and advocating for conservation policies, we can create a future where both humanity and the axolotl thrive. Let us become guardians of this remarkable creature. The fate of the axolotl is linked to our own.